Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna make you see the cracking sound. So here's our music. Hear that? Really crappy, and this one too. Hear that noise? Well, this one, you see that? There's a really crappy sound. Let's try to move it on another channel to see the difference. Well, this guys, we'll check even the knobs. Well, this one is still good, but how about the last channel? Well, this knob. Okay guys, so as you can see, this channel has a lot of problems. So maybe there's a lot of dust that accumulated. So we're gonna be tearing this apart and I'll let you guys see what's inside. Okay guys, so we're gonna be putting the faders, our secret solution. Let's put it here. Let's put it at the bay. We're gonna be inserting it directly. Okay guys, so insert it in the fader itself. Could also add here. Also add in the equalizer. Also add a bit, so here we go guys. Not only that, but also here to the problematic ones. Here are the problematic ones. Let's add Should duplicate them also. Also here, and the equalizer. Here also. These are the problematic ones, guys. This one also. And of course, this one too. And this one, guys. Okay guys, so I don't have enough. I think that's the last drop. So I've almost like finished it all. So guys, you just need to return everything back to its state. Okay guys. Okay guys, so for our last test, we will see how it really sounds. Okay guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be playing you the song a while ago, and as you can see there's no cracking sound anymore like in here. You try to hear it. See, it's just full signal, no noise. Okay guys, so that's the test of our mixer after fixing it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe. God bless everyone.